teammate got injured. And for this, they made for the rescuing of the teammate. Then he made a stretcher out of woods and also tied up his wounds and gave him some morphine and adrenaline so that he survived till for near about half an hour that they can shift him to the field hospital. Later on, they completed the mission and also saved their batchmate's life.
Hello everyone. From the given picture, I could see three characters in the picture. All three are male. Two of them are in positive mood. One is neutral. They are in the age group of 26 to 30. The action of my story is rescue an injured man from a tunnel. Ram, who is 26-year-old, he's working. He's a construction worker employed in Border Road Organization. They are building a tunnel near Karakoram Pass in Ladakh. So one day, unfortunately, due to lack of attention, one of his colleague, one of the worker of the tunnel, he felt unconscious. He fell from 6 feet height, so he fell unconscious. After seeing him, Ram rushed to him, and and one man also joined them. They took him out of the tunnel. On the stretcher, they called 108 for an ambulance. They docked him to the hospital. Ram has informed his senior engineer about the mishappening, and Ram has also informed the next of kin of the injured man. So he also he also consulted the doctor. So he visited every day to the injured man when he was in the hospital. After 1 week, he could recover the man, and the man rejoined the construction in the tunnel.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I perceive three characters, all males, age bracket from 26 to 40, and mood for all is positive. Action of my story is quick decisions save life. Havildar Hari was posted in the Kashmir Valley and was in the middle of an early morning drill nearby his camp. When suddenly three terrorists appeared and started firing towards them. Havildar Hari covered for most of the soldiers and eliminated the targets, but one of his sepoys was shot in the upper chest. He immediately made a stretcher with two long branches and some ropes, ordered one of his fellow sepoys to assist him in carrying him to the camp. He took a shortcut, crossed the stream from an old bridge, and reached the medicamp in time. The soldier was treated well, and his life was saved by the quick decision of Havildar Hari.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I perceive three characters, all are male, and the age bracket is 15 to 17 year old. The overall mood is positive here. Ram, a 17-year boy, is a scout, and they went to the Panchmadi for the scout and guide camp with their with the group. They were learning the surviving and other essential skills of their life in that camp. One fine day, three of the scouts went to the trek at Dhupgarh, and while returning back from the trek, one of the scout ankles twisted and he suffered an ankle ache. Ram instantly used his skills and presence of mind, made a stretcher out of bamboo and the ropes, and he, along with the other scout, carried the injured person back to the base camp and informed his scout captain. The injured man recovered overnight, and the Ram's presence of mind and the skills reflected in the story. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived three characters, one female and two males. Age bracket is between 25 and 27 years. The overall mood of the picture is positive. Radhika, a 25-year-old lieutenant in the Indian Armed Forces, was a very brave soldier. One day she received info from her superiors that she was posted near Galwan Valley. One day she got an info from her superiors that a terrorist camp is located in the forest. She, with a quick reaction, arranged a team of Jawans, reached the forest with the team and located the camp. As soon as the firing started, she bravely fought with the terrorist. She, while fighting with the terrorist, got hit by a bullet on her right hand. As she was injured and was getting unconscious by the pain, the Jawan quickly, with the help of a stretcher, took her to the near base medical camp. got her medicated. She told the Jawans to reach back to the forest, fight with the terrorist, and report her with a good, report her back with a victory.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I have perceived three characters. The age bracket is between 22 to 26. Overall mood is positive. Lieutenant Krishna is fighting in the foothills of Burma in 1945. He saw Nayak Rohit getting a gunshot wound. He quickly responded and rushed to him. After seeing that he got a gunshot wound in his leg, he applied pressure and also cleaned the wound. With applying constant pressure on the wound, he was able to apply tourniquet as well, which stopped the blood flow. With the help of rifleman Ram, he was able to carry him in a stretcher to the nearest medical camp, and with his quick action and quick response, they were able to save the leg of Nayak Rohit. On the same hand, after admitting him to the camp, he went to the front line and fought the war bravely. Thank you.
Okay, online you can start your discussion.
So, gentlemen, we have seen that.
Okay. We'll have the group into two halves. One from Parav to Sandeep and from Vinita to this place. The first group will be this. Please start.
We can consider that there is any disaster that like flood or cyclone, and
That would be
Okay. Okay. Nominate a person from this group and nominate a person from this group. Okay, Abhagya and Abhishek and this. Okay, Shraddha, Tilak and this girl. Yeah, khada jao. Address the group.
Thank you, Jai Hind everyone. Thank you group for nominating me. From a healthy discussion, we have come to a conclusion that Ram, with his two course mates, is in a training camp in his military training days, and he got injured while doing some training. He with his friends, he with his course mates got injured. He got injured with his course mate. He got help from them, but after some time he showed courage, and as he was a army trainee, he showed courage and got up and did all the remaining work on his own.
Short and sweet. It should be short and sweet, okay?
Jain sir, and thank you group for nominating me. After the healthy discussion, we have received three male characters from age bracket 26 to 27. Overall mood is positive. Action of our story is saving a friend. Ram was a 27-year-old soldier who was posted in Northeast And one day he was sent for a recce with his 3 friends. One day, during a recce, they noticed one of his buddy got sick and fell unconscious. They rushed to him and check him, and they also checked for any biting mark on him. They made a structure out of forest wood and ropes, and they place him on the structure and carry him back to the unit, and they take him to the MI room for the further medication. Thank you.
Good. Shava, next.
Jahin sir, from the group discussion we have come to the conclusion that in the picture there are three male characters. The age group is between 25 to 35 and the overall mood is positive. The action of the story is helping the co-worker. Ram 35 was major in the army. Due to the terrorist attack, his Fulton was attacked and one of his soldiers was shot. So he decided to help him. He made a stretcher out of the bamboos and the leaves that were there. He carried him to the medical care center along with one of his Fulton mates and then made sure that he received the proper treatment. Thank you.
Jain sir, thank you group for nominating me. Sir, from the agreed group story, we all have perceived 3 characters. Age bracket from 26 to 40 and the mood for all 3 is positive. So Havildar Hari was 40 years, was posted in the near the Kashmir Valley. While in the middle of an early morning drill nearby his camp, 3 terrorists appeared and a sudden firing started. Suddenly, he covered for most of the soldiers and eliminated the targets. But one of his soldiers was shot in the upper chest. So he covered the wound and made a stretcher out of 2 long branches and some ropes. He ordered one of his fellow sepoys to assist him in carrying the injured to the medicamp. He took a shortcut from the small stream, crossed an old bridge, reached the medicamp in time, and the life of the soldier was saved.
Yeah.
Jai Hind sir, thank you group for nominating me. From the discussion we have concluded, there are 3 characters, all are male. The age bracket is 15 to 17 years old and the overall mood of the group of the picture was positive. The Ram was a 17-year-old boy and a scout. They went to a camp, scout guide camp in Panchmadi, and they were learning the life skill and the other surviving skills at the Panchmadi camp. One fine day, 3 of the scouts went for a trek to the Dhupgarh. While returning from the trek, one of them was twisted their ankle and injured themselves and injured the ankle, and cause of that Ram instantly remembered his skills and used his presence of mind and made a stretcher out of ropes and bamboo, and he carried the injured person back to the base camp and informed his group captain, and overnight he recovered and it went well. Thank you.
Short and sweet, Rakho. Any other volunteers? Okay.
Thank you group for nominating me. Jai Hind sir, from a healthy discussion we come to a conclusion that in the picture there are 3 characters, all are male, age bracket is between 25 to 28 and the overall mood is positive. The action of the story is evacuating Badi. Captain Avinash Rathore, a 28-year-old army officer, was training in Special Forces Training School, Bangalore after completing his probation. While training, he saw that one of his batchmates got injured while trying to enter in a house from a shed. On seeing it, Avinash immediately rushed towards him with one of his buddy, made a structure from bamboo, clothes and rope, carried him to the medical camp and saved him. Thank you, sir.
Good. Ananya.
Thank you group for nominating me. Jai Hind sir, from the discussion we have come to the conclusion that in the picture there were 3 male characters. The age bracket is between 23 to 25 years old and the mood of the picture is positive. The action of the story is struggling in the cyclone affected area. Abhinav was 25-year-old and he was captain in the Indian Army. He was posted in the Tamil Nadu and a heavy cyclone hit the area of the Tamil Nadu coast. He was assigned there for the rescue and evacuation operation. He with his mates planned the strategy and evacuated the affected people, take them to the safe place and provided them the essentials and medication. But during the operation he got badly injured in his leg, so he by his mates was referred to the medical camp. There the batchmates made the stretcher out of the bamboo there and referred him to the medical camp. After that the medication he recovered.
Real.
Thank you, Gift, for nominating me. Jai Hind, sir. From the picture, we have concluded that there are 3 characters, 1 female and 2 males. The age bracket is between 25 to 27. The overall mood of the picture is positive. The action of our story was a good leader shows courage in every situation. Radhika, a 25-year-old lieutenant and a very brave soldier in the Indian Armed Forces.